Hello guys, it's me, Santtu here. I'm the guy who does the systems programming and I was just about to go to sleep, but I decided to do some recording, some programming. I want to show you uh, interesting trick you can do while doing Windows programming. It's kind of the opposite of what I was showing you last time. It's like showing some super cursed stuff you can do. So now I'm like sort of doing the opposite. I'm showing you some real nice stuff you can do. You know what? Maybe I'll explain the whole thing in the beginning. So what I want to show you is that you can like completely forget and don't care about window class names basically at all. Well, there's some things you have to, but basically in Windows, like when you create a window class, you don't need to like refer the class by its name, so you can forget the name of the class after you have created it, which is like a pretty nice feature in my opinion. I mean, even better would have been if the window classes had been created in such a way that they didn't even need names in the first place, because right now what I'm about to show you, the only place where you still need to have a name is when you create the class. And after that, you can forget about it. You can do everything without the class name. And the class name, unfortunately, still has to be unique. So, yeah. So I'll show you how to do this. At first, we need to do something to get like a unique name for us. And what I'm using, I'm running some of my own code to generate like a new uh, universally unique ID or globally unique ID, as they sometimes called on Windows. But yeah, I mean, there's a Windows API to do this. However, it's kind of bad. You need to link some weird DLLs to do it, and like even the text printing has some error code stuff. Like somehow, like printing a fixed sized text can error. I don't fucking know. It's like what the hell. But anyway. So we just get like some random name for our class. I mean the name, like it doesn't matter what it is as long as it's not too long, and the max limit is about 255, something like that. And of course when dealing with Windows, we'll need to have the instance, which is just the module base address. The instance is more like old 16-bit Windows idea. Now it's module and instance are basically the same thing these days. I mean, it's been like that for a long time. But yeah, let's just fill in the window class with some basic stuff, and here we register it with our like random name. We get this atom, and this window class atom is what we'll need. Like, this is what we'll use to refer to this class from now on. Now we can completely forget about the class name. We don't need to keep track of that at all. We can just completely forget about it. Now on, this is the only thing we need to remember to refer to this class. Oh, let's make a window. And actually, let's do loop. A bit of message processing to see that it works. Yeah. Well, it doesn't do anything. I didn't really program anything in here. You see, it's just basically our closing code and some sample user data handling. don't do anything interesting, more like it just exists as a demonstration. And now, even when we like destroy the window class, we can just pass on the class atom, just as we did in the Windows creation. We see unregistering the class was successful. So yeah, there was my nice Windows trick, Windows programming trick for you. So I think I'm going to sleep. Have fun.